Yo, what's up? Market's been selling off overnight, dude. Selling off. Is today gonna be crazy? It's kind of selling off a bit. It's breaking this little trend line to the downside here, inverting some bearish fair value gaps. Let's see, man. Is it gonna get crazy? Is it getting crazy today? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Trading doesn't work. Okay, buddy. You're not wrong about that. It is gambling, but some people are good gamblers. Guess you ain't one. Mm-mm-mm. All right, dude. Dropping off. Dropping off. The market is dumping, dude. The market is dumping. Thanks for the engagement, Aiden. We appreciate you, buddy, and you being a supporter of the channel. Thank you very much. I hope you're having a great day. Mm-mm-mm. Hey, Aiden, by the way, maybe you should take the course. It might help you become profitable since you're struggling. Mm-mm-mm. Aiden just don't know, does he? He don't know. That's all right. I don't feel like arguing today. Tired, dude. Just woke up. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Market selling off, pulling back. Is it gonna drop all the way down to this low down here is the question. No, Aiden, I'm just learning, bro. Trying to get my first payout. I'm just learning. Maybe I can get it today though. So if anybody wants to help me out, I'm working towards my very first payout. What up, Trader 007? What's going on, bro? All right, dudes. I am approaching a payout with Hypertix, man. Been crushing it. About to get a payout on Hypertix. They're running a good sale right now too over on Hypertix. It's buy one get one 50% off, and it's like a pass one get one free or something like that. No, it's 50% off plus buy one get one free. So you get a free account when you get to a payout. Let's see, does anybody have any opinions on the market today? You think it's going to sell off on Friday? Been pumping up and it has been coming down all night here. You think today's the sell-off? It already dropped a lot overnight. Dude, it's already dropped like 550 points. Holy cow. Overnight. Market's moving crazy, dude. The market is moving crazy. All right, let's find a good London session trade. I mean, this one down here was pretty good. These up here were good too. Continuation shorts. Oh yeah, that one right there. This was a good trade during the London session right here. Heck yeah, dude. Boom. Swept these highs out right here. Swept out those highs and dropped. Oh yeah, dude. That was money right there. Oh, let's go, Breezy. He called a short. Nice, dude. What a sell-off, man. Market's still dropping. It just swept these lows again. Be right back. Yo, let's see, dude. We just swept out these lows down here. If this 2-minute gets inversed, it may be a decent long. Let's see. We're just gonna put every inversion trade on the screen here, show it off, see if it works out. But yeah, let's go over what I could think can happen in New York session. We're dropping off, dude. So if we keep dropping, we could come down here and, you know, take out these lows. It could get pretty nasty. Honestly, today, if it starts to sell off on a Friday, dude, and everybody just started, it could get nasty. We're inverting all these bearish gaps. And yeah, this would be the, you know, kind of last place down here to bounce at before it gets real nasty. Yeah, what up, Joyce? But hopefully we get this bounce back up to the upside, because I don't want to end the party yet on this this move, dude. What a crazy market where it just keeps going up, except for today and last night. Pine Tree says dump it. No, bro, I want to keep going to the moon, dude. My long-term portfolio is looking phenomenal, Pine Tree. Dude, every day it's just crazy. Every day, I just need the market to keep going up. Dang, dude. It looks good going up, but it looks bad going down too. Ugh. I'm down overnight. Ugh. Guys, let's smash that like button. Let's get a giveaway going. It's Friday, dude. I want to get a giveaway. I'm feeling generous. Let's smash the like button on the stream. Let's get it rolling. Let's get the likes going. Dude, Pine Tree Trader's up getting he's getting his walk in this morning. He's getting his steps in, dude. What are you talking about? Pine Tree getting those steps in. Dude. Oh. I just rolled out of bed, man. I literally woke up, clicked start on the stream. He took a quick long for $100. Let's go, bro. Keep going up. It swept those lows down there. Make it come up a good bit. Yeah, so there was your inversion long setup right there. See if it plays out. Swept the London low, got a little 2-minute inversion right here. Go to break even at the high. Right there. Dang, dude, this is volatile, man. Just right there that's 30 points. It's tapping into a little 10-minute gap here. 10-minute fair value gap. Starting to reject. All right, man. So let's talk about these fair value gaps. Let's talk about the fair value gaps, dude. So these fair value gaps, if you don't know what they are, they act as support and resistance. So you can use them on any time frame. I'd use them the same on both time frames. You know, higher time frames and lower time frames. Lower time frames will just get the entry. The higher time frames, they help me find good spots to enter. But look at that, dude. Hit that break even and turn right around. This thing's selling off hard. This thing is selling off. Don't want to go up. All right, but let's talk about these fair value gaps. So you can use them on the higher time frames and the lower time frames. So I use the higher time frames to kind of give me my bias, right? So right here, if you look to the left, this is the 1 hour time frame. You've got a bullish 1 hour fair value gap right here, right? Because the top of this wick doesn't meet the top of this wick. And then that area in the middle, that's your fair value gap. And since the candle's green, it's a bullish fair value gap. All right, so when it comes down into it, it should tap it, and then it should act as a support and bounce up. But if it closes beneath it, like this candle right here, you see it just close right beneath it, then it should act as a resistance. So that's when you can play it going to the downside. So this candle closed below, came back up to retest this inversion fair value gap, and then boom, dropped it off. So that's the higher time frame. So then on the lower time frame, after I see this inversion, probably want to wait for a pullback, tap into that, and then look for your short. So look, it kind of lines up with that trade I was just talking about, kind of the best trade from this morning in the London session. It inversed it, and then boom, came back up. And then right here on the 5-minute time frame, this would have been your short setup right there. Because look, it comes back up into that inversion fair value gap, and then boom, inverses this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. So when it inverses that 5-minute, You get in short right there, break even at the first low or TP because that's a good amount of points, and then you just ride it down. And since it lines up with the higher time frames, you could have played this for even longer, right? Because this is a higher time frame inversion. So if it's going to work out, you get in on this inversion right here, and then hopefully you can hold a runner to this higher time frame target, right? So that's how you use the higher time frames and the lower time frames together. So you got this higher time frame inversion fair value gap. You could have played it down to this low. It's a higher time frame target, and then overall this low down here would be your, you know, full target for this higher time frame. So if you got in on the lower time frame because you notice this 1 hour inversion right here, and then you dropped it down, you waited on a pullback, it tapped the 1 hour inversion, and if you got in on this 5-minute inversion to the downside, that's when you can hold it for these higher time frame targets. And that's how you see these people catching these big trades, when you line up the higher time frames and the lower time frames together, right? So you could have taken your first target right there for 144 points, and then you could even be holding a runner all the way down to here, dude. That being look at that crazy entry. Crazy entry. And that's how people catch these big trades, by lining up the higher time frames and the lower time frames together. Yo, what up, Stone Trades? What's going on, dude? What's going on? But that is kind of the... That's why I said this was a really good trade up here, this 5-minute. Elaine, you can literally rewind like 2 minutes. I just explained it perfectly. No shades today, dude. I need to put them on. I just woke up. I need to put on the shades, dude. Bang. Now we got them. Now we got them, dude. Dude, we have been crushing it in the New York session, man. I have been absolutely killing it. Has anybody else been just crushing the New York session? Just taking longs, dude. Longs lately and been killing it. But getting close to a Hypertix payout, man. They're running a really good sale right now. It's 50% off Hypertix, and then also you get a free account if you get it to pay out. So I take advantage of it, man. 50% off and a free account when you get the payout. That's it, Stone Trades, dude. In this market lately, it's just been longs, dude. Maybe today it's going to be selling off on a Friday. People might be taking their profits today after just weeks of run up. Today gonna be the day where it gets that big sell-off. It's already sold off a lot overnight, dude. Sold off a lot overnight. So look, I like to use this indicator right here. It's ICT, kill zones, and pivots. I like to use it to mark out the previous day high and the low, and to just mark out the sessions here. It can mark out the session highs and lows. I do my sessions a little bit different. I do the Asia session from 6:00 p.m. Eastern time when the market opens, all the way up until the London session open at 3 a.m. So that's kind of how I like to run mine. And let's get a good look here at what's going on. So you can see the market opened up. It got a little push to the upside, barely a little push, and then just been selling off all night long. Down 571 points. But yeah, I love this indicator, bro. It's really good. It marks out the previous day low, previous day high, Asia high, Asia low. It can mark out other stuff too, like midnight open. It has all these things you can mark out. But I only use it for, you know, the sessions and the previous day high, but you can mark out these other things too if you want. But yeah, I love it. So see, dude, I think this hourly is coming after this low down here. If we look on the hourly time frame, right? You got this inversion to the downside. You got this hourly inversion to the downside. And if we're just looking at this from inversions, you inversed it, it came back up, retested it, and now it dropped. Took out this low. If it didn't want to bounce and recover at that low, then the next thing that it's going after would be this next low down here. It already took this low, got a little bounce up. Now it looks like it's targeting this low right down here. So let's see if that's where it's headed. It looks like at the moment this hourly got an inversion. Let's just make sure there's no more fair value gaps sitting down here that it could bounce from. It already closed below this 15-minute gap right here, so you got a 15-minute inversion. And yeah, man, I'd say it's taken out this low down here. See, look on the 15-minute time frame, these fair value gaps, they act as support and resistance. I've already said it. I'm going to say it multiple times till it gets bound in your head. So this is a bullish fair value gap right here. And then look, let's go to the right over here. Look what happens when it taps this 15-minute fair value gap. Taps it, you get a bounce up, taps it again, bounce up. It's acting as a support. But now once it closes below this fair value gap, now it's acting as a resistance. So it closed below, comes up, body's holding this fair value gap, and let's see if it's going to drop down all the way to this low right here. Bro, I know, Pine Tree, dude. I just get, oh my gosh, it is the daily time frame is insane, bro. I was literally just talking about this to my coworker yesterday, dude. Look at this straight up move, no pullbacks. I mean, it could pull back, it could pull all like back down to here, which seems like a big pullback, but if we're just talking about moves, dude, that really ain't that big. But what a straight up move. I was looking at something. Where was I looking at? Oh, I was saying, dude, I hope it just does like this right here. Look at this move from like the COVID stuff. So this move went straight up, but look, it's kind of like the same V-shaped pattern. Dude, I hope it does this right here, man. I hope this is just the beginning. So this is COVID, and we're kind of like right here right now, I would say, on this move. So I hope it just pulls back a little bit and then just keeps on going, dude. I hope this is what it's doing. I hope it's gonna mirror it right over here. I don't know. We might be up here. Might be getting ready for that pullback. Crazy on the daily time frame though. Back to 22. I don't know if we're going to 22,000. That'd be crazy. That would be crazy, dude. Let's go. Dropping off. Looks like it's coming after this low down here. right down here, 29,074. That's where it's headed, dude. That's where it's headed. Headed down there to those lows, dude. Telling you, that's where it's going. Crazy sell-off overnight on the markets. Dude, if you're not in my free Discord, join it up, man. Let's hang out and have a good time in there. Free Discord right here, dude. Join it up. Dab Jab in there. Trader 007. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go. Everybody making money up in there. Yeah, let's go smash the like button, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's look for a trade here. Let's look for a possible trade. All right. So right now, I think it's headed down toward this low right here. So if it gets a pullback, maybe you could short it down to that low. All right. So if you get a short setup down to this low, it'd probably be a good one. Got an inversion right here to the downside. So let's see if it's going to pull back up into this inversion. Let's go. Stone trades. Let's get it, dude. Yeah, we've been killing it in the New York session. Honestly, best trade would be to kind of wait and see if this down here gets taken out, and then if this gets taken out, then look for an inversion back to the upside. That would honestly be your best trade. Super low on the day, right? We sold off so much. New York session may want to pull it back and take out some of these highs up here. So I don't know if it'll get all the way up here, but it would be good. So I mean, we're so low that I'd rather take longs, but we will see. We will see here. Got an inversion up here to the upside. Without taking out this low though, I would need to see it like start making some new highs. You know, go up above here and then see it wanting to go up. All right, starting to push back up here. Let's see. Dude, I'm so close to a Hypertix payout. Next week, dude, requesting another payout with Hypertix. Let's go. Let's go. Getting paid, dude. All right, here we go. Let's see. Here's an inversion to the downside. Swept these highs right here. See, if this gets inverse, you could probably take a short. Short it down. There it is. Close below. See if it's going to drop down now. Says this is the higher time frame target. You got Pro Plus on Hypertix. You liking it, bro? You liking the Pro Plus? Let's see if this thing's gonna drop it down or if it was going to keep going up. Like I said, it could come back up and retest this inversion up here. But let's see if it'll hold this inversion and just drop it on down. Body's still holding it, so it's still valid here. Didn't close back above yet. What's Hola? Allah. What is that? What's Hola? Oh, is that a prop firm? I might have seen it. Hola Futures? No. I think I saw an ad one time about them, dude. Dude, Pine Tree. Dude, I can't keep up, man. I miss the good old days, you know, 2 years ago when there was like 3 prop firms, man. Now there's 30. I cannot keep up with them, dude. I miss it, man. I miss the good old days when it was Apex, Top Step, and Fast Track Trading. Gosh. Too many prop firms now, man. Oh, let's go, dude. Look at this. Biblical posted his levels in the Discord. He posts them every day. He's a profitable trader. Learn something from him. And then look at this caveman. Had a super green week. Let's go, bro. Not trading today. Might be a smart idea. Super green, just taking Friday off. Let's go, bro. Love to see it. Love to see it, bro. It does, doesn't it? Hola. Hola is definitely Spanish. I remember that one from high school, dude. That's hello in Spanish. Okay. I remember that one. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. So I took Spanish 1 and Spanish 2 in high school, and my Spanish 1 class was way harder than my Spanish 2 class. This dude, he was actually, you know, he knew Spanish and stuff. Like, what is the word? He grew up somewhere over there, and dude, he would be on me about learning it, man, and it was hard. But then I got to Spanish 2, and the teacher in Spanish 2 didn't care, man. She didn't care at all. And we had these Chromebooks, the laptops. Dude, I remember one time I was taking a test. One time I was taking a test in Spanish 2. And so what I would do is I would Google the question, because I sat by the wall. She would walk around, but I'd lean my laptop kind of toward the wall, and I would highlight the question and click Google. And it would sometimes it would pull up the Quizlet with the whole test, and those were the perfect tests. But one time, dude, I clicked speech on it by accident. I don't know, there was a speech button on it, and it started reading the question out loud. And dude, I for sure thought she was gonna come give me a 0 or something on the test, but she just gave me a little smile and kept on walking, dude. It was funny. I was like, oh, thank goodness. I was like, oh, dude, I'm cooked. It read the question out loud from the computer, and I was like, oh man. Oh man. Or it read something out loud. It either read out like what I was Googling. It read something out loud off the computer, and I thought for sure I was gonna get in trouble. And she just looked at me and then just kept on walking, dude. I was like, wow, let's go. David Javor. I don't know about all that. All right, man, left some equal lows down here. Should go back and take those out. We got equal lows right at this low down here. Let's see if it's gonna go take those out and then come take out this higher time frame target down here. If you got in these shorts to the downside, you got a higher time frame target down here like 29,075. It's where I'd be taking some profits if you're in shorts anywhere, for sure. Yo, dude, who wants a Hypertix giveaway today, man? Who wants a Hypertix giveaway? They're running a huge sale right now, 50% off, buy one get one free. We'll run a Hypertix giveaway if you guys want it. And then on Monday, we're gonna do Members Monday. If you're a member of the channel, we will do a members only giveaway on Monday. So get ready, dude. It's Friday. Let's give away a Hypertix account, dude. Let me get it set up. And I'm gonna do this one different, dude. I'm gonna give you a minute to enter. I'll let you know when, but we're not gonna have these people just coming in, typing in the word and then leaving. You gotta be here, dude. I'll let you know when to type something. We're gonna leave it open for about a minute. But we're getting ready to do a giveaway for Hypertix, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, dude. We're about to leave it open for about a minute here. Type !Slade to enter the giveaway. We're only going to leave it open for like 1 minute. So you got about a minute to enter. Type !Slade right now. Type it right now to get entered in here. You got about a minute. Shouldn't be many members in here. Shouldn't be many people in the giveaway today. Let's go, dude. Let's do it. Giveaway time. Not many people going to be entered in today. You're going to have a good chance to win. It's missing some of the names here. What's going on? Yo, Biblical gifted memberships. Let's go, bro. Biblical gifting the subscriptions. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, my bad. There you go. Re-enter it now. If you typed it before, enter it now. Appreciate that, Biblical. Let's go, dude. Biblical's the man. If you just got a sub, thank Biblical. Because he just gifted 5 of them. Let's go. Biblical the man. Here we go. Now we got them entered. They're entering in now, buddy. At 8:56, I'm going to cut it off, dude. Cutting it off. You got about 1 minute to enter. And then we're going to run the duck race. Alrighty. Let's do it, man. Let's run it. Let's run it. Who's going to win a free Hypertix account today? Let's get it. All right, there it is. Let's turn it off. Boom. Let me get this set up over here, and then we'll do the giveaway. It's duck race time, buddy. Let's get it. Duck race. We'll put 1 minute on the clock and we'll run it. Got 44 names on the list. Let's get it. Let's get it. Somebody's going to win a free prop firm account today. Boom. Here we go. Off to the races. Somebody's going to win. Who's it going to be? I didn't even put my own name in there, man. I should have put it in there so I could win. Dab Jav in the lead. Doomslayer up there. You don't want to be in the front at the beginning. If you type 1, you get a speed boost, by the way. If you didn't know that, it's a duck race hack. If you type 1 in the chat, it gives your duck a speed boost. So, do with that what you will, but let's get it. Who's going to win it here, man? Who's going to win the duck race? 8. We got Burrows out in front right now. V. Gabor out there. Biblical with his hat on. Let's see, dude. We got a Harry Potter. Biblical's the Harry Potter duck out there in the lead right now. 8 seconds left. Somebody's coming from behind. Who's it gonna be, dude? Oh, it's Caveman. Let's go, dude. Caveman wins it. The Hypertix account, dude. Let's go. Caveman, he's always in the streams. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Boom. Posted it up in the Discord right there. Join up in the free Discord if you're not already in it, man. Join up in the free Discord. Congratulations, Caveman. That a boy. Look at it going back up now. It left equal lows down here, so those should get taken out at some point. I think it comes down, takes out these equal lows, and then takes out this higher time frame target. Let's see, man. Sivas, yeah, thank Biblical. He gifted 5 subscriptions. You were one of them. Let's go. Biblical. Oh yeah, bro, it ripped up 60 points. Let's see. Oh yeah, 60 points straight off the lows there. Very volatile this morning. This short was break even anyway. It bounced right off break even. Break even at the low. We don't trade Bitcoin here. Look at it dropping down now. Oh yeah, dude, it's coming after him. Look, equal lows and equal highs. You need to always watch those. They act like magnets for price, dude. It's going to take out these equal lows right now. Left equal lows down here. You still got the higher time frame target sitting down here. It's coming to take out these equal lows, dude. All right, boys, but I'm about to head off of here, man. It's 9:02. Gotta head off, and yeah, gotta head off, get ready to trade the New York session, man. Hopefully it's a crazy day in the markets, make a little bit more money and get it going again, dude. We've been on a heater, just catching some banger trades, hopefully to keep that win streak going. And yeah, join up in the free Discord if you're not already in there. Make sure you use code SLADE when you pick up your prop firm accounts, and check out Hyperticks, 50% off, and buy one get one free at payout. So all right, hope everybody has a great day, and if you're in the Discord, I'll see you for the New York session. All right, everybody have a great day. Peace.